It's where you can.
You want to say hi to her? Go give her a high five. It's okay. Girl, it's okay. You know, go get you. He's fuzzy.
I know, it's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Behind you, Mommy.
You're behind me.
Which do you wish me to target first?
The birthday boy.
The birthday boy it is. You won't be making it to next year, child. Probably a good thing, too, you'll grow up to own one of these hats. Maybe we can hand it down to you now. A family envelope. Get these brats out of here.
Recruits here at Nest, our mission objective is clear. To protect and defend humanity by locating, capturing, and destroying every last Decepticon on Earth. How does Nest stop such a formidable enemy? You'll find out in this orientation. Thank you again for volunteering.
Oh, that's exciting.
Damn, we got company. Multiple engines attached to it.
What did I tell you, General? The ambush was just a diversion!
Security things, bring it on.
You're right. She's already in.
Looks like now he's getting the green light from Optimus. And from you.
You ready?
So think it over while I think.
We're stuck. Stop, both are stuck.
No, we're stuck.
I just look at this. Here's the stuff that we don't understand. I'm sure that's stuff like that. Yeah.
Can you go behind us too? It's literally just a screen. Oh yeah?
Why stop?
Hi. Boys,
Stop.
say hi. JJ, Neal.
They were stuck on Transformers.
We got stuck.
You guys
I
go.
was down.
Oh, check it out, guys. Look.
Ooh, I think we're about to move.
No, that's
Oh, yep, so it does go up and down.
It's not us that goes up and down. It's that that goes up and down.
There we go. That's too. No, he comes with
smugglers running about, perhaps dragons.
Just what a dreadful thing to say, Salazar.
A few muggles might be destined to Slytherin team needs, given their most recent.
Danny? Gryffindor!
Or Gryffindor!
Too slow. You must be more than good.
Hippogriff. Beautiful, aren't they? Hippogriffs are the body of healthcare staff.
Four and five.
Cards. Cell phone? Any takers? No? One more week, and then I'm afraid we have to put you down.
I want to stay.
I'd like some information. My pleasure. Who won the 1942 World Series?
The St. Louis Cardinals.
Why is the sky blue?
The molecules in the air scatter blue light from the sun.
Why are you so lame?
I was a very sickly boy and I never developed social skills.
Am I supposed to feel sorry for you?
Yes, you are.
Hollers, go! Fine, you're in. Come with me. Oh, and you can pick one other group to come with you.
How about these guys?
Sure, whatever. They look clean. You guys come with me. You stay here and wait for someone to tell you to do something.
Room 11.
Room 11.
I got a big fat head. Look at me. Dang. Look, I got a big fat head. I got a big face. I got a woman.
It does this really big one where smoke starts.
You gonna do it back?
Get to the red lights to finish it.